AI can write emails. It can't feel empathy or solve a toddler's meltdown. Here's why those skills are your new career. Listen up, remote work moms, because the Matrix is glitching out, and ChatGPT is literally trying to phantom tax your entire paycheck. Yes, you heard me loud and clear. The artificial intelligence takeover is not a drill. It is giving major villain energy. If you do not lock in right now, your remote job is going to disappear faster than your kids when it is time to clean up. But do not panic. Do not let the algorithms drain your aura, because you possess the ultimate Sigma grind set. You are a mom, and there are exactly 4 skills you have that artificial intelligence could never even dream of replicating. Skill number 1, the absolute WRIZ of emotional intuition. AI can write a perfectly formatted, boring email. Big deal. But AI cannot read a room. AI cannot look at a coworker through a pixelated Zoom screen and instantly know they are lying about their internet connection. You know who can? A mom. You have the legendary mom stare. That is a level 10 aura ability. You can look at a toddler and instantly deduce what crime they just committed based entirely on the angle of their left eyebrow. In the corporate world, this is called high-level emotional intelligence. AI is literally an NPC. It has zero empathy. You can navigate toxic office politics, sense client hesitation, and manage a dysfunctional team purely off vibes. AI literally cannot even begin to comprehend this. Skill number 2, unhinged chaos management. Have you ever tried giving an artificial intelligence model more than 3 instructions at once? It literally starts hallucinating and spits out absolute garbage. It cannot handle the pressure of real life. Meanwhile, you are out here cooking dinner, muting a conference call, silently opening a snack wrapper so the toddler doesn't hear, and negotiating a peace treaty over a stolen iPad, all at exactly the same time. You are the final boss of multitasking. Corporate emergencies are just another Tuesday for you. When a major project goes completely off the rails and the marketing team is having a meltdown, AI freezes up. You step in and restore order because you deal with actual unhinged tiny humans every single day. But hold up, let us be real for a quick second. Hard carrying your entire company while fighting off the AI apocalypse is literally spiking your cortisol to Ohio levels. The stress is entirely too real. Your nervous system is screaming for help. The mom brain fog is creeping in heavy and your aura points are dangerously low right now. You cannot maintain this Sigma mom energy if your brain feels like a melted crayon from staring at spreadsheets and worrying about robots stealing your bag. This is exactly why you need to hack your biology today. I'm talking about ashwagandha gummies. This is literally the ultimate cheat code to lower that stress hormone and keep you entirely locked in. These things are basically physical armor for your mental health. Pop a couple of these bad boys and watch your anxiety just disappear while your focus completely maxes out. It is the only way to survive the remote work hustle without completely crashing out. I linked the exact ones you need in the description so you can secure the bag and protect your peace before the bots win. Go get 'em and let us get back to dominating the Matrix. Skill number 3, tactical client whispering. AI sounds like a robot trying way too hard to have Riz. It uses words like delve and furthermore, maximum cringe. No client wants to talk to a soulless text generator when they are deeply upset. They want you. They want the tactical empathy that only a mom can deliver. When a client is having a full-blown tantrum about a missed deadline, you do not send them an automated apology. You use your elite soothing protocols. You make them feel heard. You validate their ridiculous feelings and somehow manipulate them into thinking the delay was actually a brilliant strategic move on your part. That is psychological warfare, and moms are 5-star generals at it. Skill number 4, absolute savage adaptability. AI needs a pristine server environment. If the Wi-Fi drops by one single bar, the AI throws a massive tantrum and blue screens. But moms are built differently for the trenches. You adapt to literally any environment instantly. When the daycare calls sick, the dog throws up on the rug, and your boss asks for a highly detailed quarterly report in the next 10 minutes, do you crash? No. You enter a state of pure flow. You type with one hand while holding a vacuum in the other. You pivot without hesitation. So stop doom scrolling about artificial intelligence taking your remote job. ChatGPT is not him. Claude is not the main character. You are the main character. The corporate machine desperately needs your emotional intelligence, your chaos management, your tactical empathy, and your unmatched adaptability. You are the CEO of the household and the absolute ultimate weapon in the remote workforce. Keep your aura pristine. Check the description for those ashwagandha gummies to keep your daily stress in the dirt where it absolutely belongs. Lock in, stay Sigma, and show these algorithms who actually runs the world. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.